unbox Tuseno Shellback together. As a YouTuber, I got a nice note and some Swedish cookies. Big thank you to Tuseno. They also included a rubber strap for me to check out and, of course, the watch itself. It comes in an outer paper box with the instructions manual, this cool sticker, and a microfiber cloth. The watch comes inside of this really nice quality leather watch roll, kind of impressive for the price of the watch, and the watch sits on this nice and soft cushion. Move the hands out of the way. It's a diver watch with 200 meters of water resistance, so of course the crown is screwed down. Now let's check out this bezel action. 120 click, unidirectional, sounds nice and firm. Okay, closer look at the watch itself. I love the shade of blue here. I also love the fact that it has a sandwich dial and a nice thin profile. Diver's extension plus 3 micro adjustments. And here's the watch on my 7.5 inches wrist. I think this one fits so well on the wrist. I will do a full review of it in a few days. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss that video.